Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I just got a quick unboxing this new SSD Vi550 S3 is a 2.5 SATA SSD hard drive. Is a really high speed, is up to 550 megabits read and 470 megabits write. It's really high speed hard drive. It's really good, I like it. It's a Verbatim and it costs just only €30. Go and just quickly unboxing and show you what is inside. It is only Verbatim hard drive, solid state drive. And it's very light and it's really good for your operation system. Once you install the Windows for 256 gigs is more than enough, and you still have some space for some other important software you want on the same disk. Yeah, that's it. This is Verbatim hard drive. I will be put on my son PC to upgrade it and make it a little bit faster, and also we can read it. What is here is nothing important, and also inside is a paperwork where we can have a look. It's just manual how to connect. Yeah, it's nothing special. Probably once you've got a PC or some stuff like that, you know how to connect a hard drive and install. Yeah, this is it. Only paper like this for the laptop, for the desktop computer. Yeah, and some technical support. Okay, hopefully you like this short quick review. Click like and subscribe for more video like this. And yeah, again, this cost only €30. Good price for it. Really good price, I think, for this hard drive. If you wanna see more or some tests or stuff like that, just let me know, I can do it. But this is just only quick unboxing. Click like and subscribe. See you later, and yeah, have a nice day.